happy to see all of you here. I am James Bond. My number is 2007. Now the original, all these movies, James Bond was actually a secret agent. Then his number is 007. That name is spreading all over in my office and all the private and public institutions. Whenever they call my name, everybody will turn around and know, who is this? Is this the actor? But it's not. It's James Bond of Singapore. It's only a pioneer from the Housing Board. And from the number 007, he touched me to say that I should have a number also. So I chose 2007, which is my birth date. That is why my email now is jamesbond2007@hotmail.com. This is to differentiate that I'm not a secret agent, just a humble old chap. And I don't know about this, but I'm now celebrating my birth date, which is actually 20th of July, 1925, when I was born. We took the celebration today because of convenience. And I'm very happy to see all of you here. And from the time I was born, I grew up to be what I am now. Now I'm 90, but then I don't think I am old, because my heart is always young. I always think young. I don't worry about people. I don't worry about the future. I just live day to day. And the next day I may not be tomorrow. So I spend the day wisely every day of my life. I don't worry about anything else. I don't give problem to my friends. I always think of myself, my family. And most of all, I pray every night before I sleep for all my relatives, my friends, and everybody on earth. And Jesus has helped me a lot. I know, because I have a lot of things done through Him. Like, I went for my operation and my sickness, and I pray to Him. I feel that I have been healed through prayers. And in any case, throughout my whole life, I always think positive. Don't ever think of negative things. If people trouble you, just accept it and laugh it out and forget it. And most of all, you must forgive and you must forget. Don't worry about all the future, because tomorrow may never come. So we just spend the day as it is. That's why now I spend my time playing my video games and watching TV. And once in a while, I go to my friend's place and have some karaoke session. And most of all, you must have friends in this world, because if you don't, you'll be very lonely. When you have friends, good ones, they will advise you and make you very comfortable in life. There's always something to look for, and employment and all that. So think wisely, think of your friends, and be kind to them, and to the public too. I do certain things and offer help to most people. And I find that I have been rewarded by being helpful to people also. They almost help me. My leg now, I'm not very strong, so sometimes I feel like falling down. As I walk along the road, when people see me wobbling, they came to me and hold me and help me to walk. And that is one of the things which I'm grateful for, because I have done good things to other people. So I think I talked too much already. Anyway, anyway, God is great. Always think of prayers. Don't ever forget. And have friends also. And this is what happens. We live in live and let live. You know, this sort of things. And one thing more I want to tell you is this. Now I have some ailment. I cannot hear very well, so I got to use my hearing aid. And my leg is not strong because of my backache. I've got to use a walking stick. So I just walk about fairly and easily. And also, I can't remember. My memory is not so good nowadays. I'm very forgetful also. So anyway, what did I say? Give me some time to think about this.
Give us a song.
Sing a song. Sing a song.
I've got lots of words already. I talk so much and lots of words. Apa lagi? Yang mana lagi? Apa lagi? Apa lagi? Macam susah, Ayo, Ramaswamy. I'm getting red.
We're going to take it now, okay?
Yeah? Okay. So I think I call it off for now. Thank you everybody, and good luck and good wishes to all of you. Thank you very much for coming.